Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Rubick's Diviner's Embrace item set for cheap in Dota 2. To do this, you first need to open Dota 2 via Steam, and then go to Armory, and under Filter Hero List, type Rubick, like so. Scroll down until you find the Diviner's Embrace set, which is right over here. As you can see, it costs me 395 Indian rupees. So click on I. Here are more details about the set. All you gotta do is buy these items separately and you'll get it in cheap. For example, this staff costs 52.53, this costs 19.26, 29.73, and then the last piece is 31.66. So you're gonna save a lot of money by buying these items separately. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!